this is Jeffrey with Domainzy, making another video about what makes a great brandable. As we all know, the shorter, the better for picking out a brandable domain name. But there's three things that I want to touch on when we're talking about domain length. One is how fast can you read it? Number two is how fast can you say it? And number three is how fast can you write it or type it? And so the first one is kind of how long is it? How fast can you read it? If it's really, really long, it's going to take you a while to read. And that's why a lot of companies who have 3 words, like IBM, KFC, brands like this, they end up shorting it. So, I mean, most people aren't quite sure what IBM stands for. They just know that IBM is the computer company now because that's what they go by. And it's just quick. It's quick to say. It rolls off the tongue, you know, and it's easy to brand like that. And then the other thing is how fast can you read it? And that's all about syllables. Even though a domain can kind of be longer, if the syllables if there's just a few syllables in that longer length, it's kind of like a short domain in that sense. And the last thing is how fast can you type it, which is really similar to how can you read it, but that's all about also how easy is it? Is there a hesitation when you're typing it? Is there a hesitation when you go to write it down? Because those things are going to play into how memorable the name is when somebody goes to write it down or type it really quick into the browser, if they're going to mess up and get an error. So I hope that these 3 tips have helped you with how to pick a great brandable on the subject of domain length. And if you guys have any other questions, place them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Have a good day.